Yeah! Whose fucking high scores this? Huh? Huh? No! Look at that. Look at that high score. What is this guy doing? You gonna give me something? Oh, thank you.
She's a good girl, Dustin.
She is such a good girl.
Here's her basket. Yeah, she's going Easter egg hunting, probably, Dustin.
Oh, you want to kill black men? Oh.
Hey, do you want to know what the fuck?
I don't know, but maybe I'm not letting that dude get away with it.
Okay, another one gets the screamer. Another one is getting somebody.
Admin abuse is not tolerated. I'm gonna need you to go ahead. I'm gonna need you to go ahead and turn in your admin badge and admin gun immediately. Report to my desk for this instance.
And your admin.
Yeah.
Yes, master.
Oh, the uniform. What uniform? We thought you were all...
My turn, motherfucker.
Alright guys, fuck these dudes. Hey buddy. Yeah! Yeah! Okay, I'm done. Oh, look out! I am the guardian of the platform. Yeah, I jumped on two. There were 3 guys on it. Jumped on 2 at the same time, killed them. Whenever it's moving up, if you jump on top of somebody's head, they die. Now we got this guy hit. Oh! Oh man, I'm gonna get banned. There is an admin on here. I actually jumped on him since there. You see him with the golden Uzi? That's an admin. I killed him doing this. He didn't say anything, so. Oh, low ledge! Oh! Jumped off the side. What happened, man? You know, on this one, they on this server they have teleport, so sometimes they won't have to come back through here. Sometimes they never make it. Oh. I don't even know what that spray is of. That's from the original Half-Life. Like from Team Fortress Classic first came out. I guess it was just Half-Life and Team Fortress Classic. I think there was a little bit of Counter-Strike. Those are the good days. Nobody gonna take the platform? I mean, I'm the platform troll here. I'm waiting on you guys. I need some food.
Oh, that's not the end.